You are looking rather handsome today, my friend. Let me just fluff up your feathers a bit. Time to get those feathers perfectly dry, my dear. You'll be looking your absolute best.
To us, my love, may our days be filled with joy and fine wines.
Indeed, to us. Please, my dear friend, you must get well. I need you. I'm right here beside you. Oh, my dear friend, how can I go on without you? My heart aches. It's a new beginning. A fresh start. Meow. This is truly a feast.